Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I am a definite planner girl. I'm a sticker addict, and apparently I'm a sticker hoarder. I kind of knew that already, but I have a different kind of video for you guys today. I am going to talk about stickers that I purchased and haven't used, or haven't really used. I might have used like one. This is absolutely no shade to any of these companies. These companies are amazing. It's more about my learning process of what stickers I actually use. So hopefully you guys will learn from my mistakes, and hopefully this will help you figure out, especially if you're like a beginner and you're like, oh my God, there's so many stickers and so many cute things and I have to have it all. You don't have to have it all, okay? But yeah, I definitely thought I would be using certain stickers in my planner, and I decided, or it just turns out that I don't reach for them. So I love these shops. I love these stickers. I just don't necessarily use them functionally in my planner. I'm going to be trying to make use of some of these things, but some of them I think I'm going to put in the giveaways that are coming up. So let me know, if there's one sticker, so for this sheet, if I gave this away and I'm missing these two stickers here, is that really crappy? Or would you still be happy to get it? Because I know for me, I would still be happy to get it, but I don't want to be throwing something into a giveaway that is shady to you guys. So please let me know that down below before I do those giveaways. There will be a bunch of new stuff in the giveaways also. These would just be extras thrown into the packages. So let me know, because if I decide, or what I decide to get rid of, I don't want it to go to waste, because it's already being wasted in my planner stash. Anyways, I think I'm going to organize these and put them into kind of categories so that I can talk about them a little bit more seamlessly, and I will come back and tell you all of the things. Okay, I'm back. I have my stickers sorted. So the first thing I'm going to talk about are these little cute sticker set things from Michaels. They're from, I think, the Recollections brand. They're really cute. I basically never use them. These washi strips are so pretty. There's foil. It's a really inexpensive way to get foil, and I have used them before because you do get more sheets of these, so I have kept some of them. But I think I'm going to put these in a giveaway because I do have whole sheets. I haven't used stuff off of them. I used one sticker here. Hopefully that's okay. But they're really cute. There's glitter and stuff. They're kind of hard to get off the paper. And they're just not the greatest quality. And I feel like there's such a random selection that I'm when am I going to use these? And I don't remember what's on the sheet. So it's not I go grab them in my collection. So again, nothing bad about them. Just I don't reach for them. Next, I have a few random sheets. I have these Creating & Co. Crunch Challenge. I had Squat and... what was the other one? Squat and Arm Challenge or something. I tried using them. I didn't use any of the Work It headers. That's just not something I put in my planner. And then I was using these on the monthly, but they weren't inspiring me to work out or anything. So since I have this full sheet, I'm I'll just give this away. I go to Pilates now and, get a workout there. So that is that. So exercise stickers I'm a little bit wary of to work for inspiration purposes anyways. These are snow day stickers from Simple Southern Mommy. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them. We just never have snow days because I live in a snowy state. So we always go to school. But they're really cute. I like that they're pink, blue, and purple because they kind of go with a lot of things that I typically use. And so I'm going to hang on to these because if I ever do have a snow day, then I'll have a sticker for it. But yeah, we never have snow days, so I don't know why I bought them. This sticker is from Lauren's Lovely Lifestyle, and it says Dinner with Friends, and they come in multicolor, which is really cute, but these are gigantic. They're bigger than a half box, so I just don't find myself reaching for them. Also, it's milk and cookies, which to me is a weird icon to have for dinner with friends. I don't know, just not my deal. Then we have samplers. So samplers are really great. I'll just sort of flip through these. These are all from Libby & Co. I have other ones, but these ones I was really excited to purchase, and you can see I've used some stuff off of them, but not a ton. Like you get so much stuff in kits that like multicolor is just not what I need necessarily. I forgot one over in my pile. I just don't use a ton of multicolor, and then some of these things have patterns which make it harder to pull in. I mean, they went with like specific kits of hers, so it would have probably been nice for the kit, but I was all like, ooh, multicolor. But these icons are really big. Like if you can see that spray bottle next to my finger, the balloons are really big. The washing machines are big. So like, I just have a hard time pulling them in sometimes. And then you get movie marquees, which I just don't use a lot. So really, really cute, but I don't reach for them a ton. Next up is half and quarter boxes, same kind of thing. There are so many different stickers that you typically get in kits that I rarely reach for these, but I don't know. I'll probably be keeping some of them. So we have glitter quarter boxes from My Newest Addiction. I have this like pink and gold set from Shop Jessica Hearts. I have these like watercolor label or like header kind of things from Stickerific. We have labels from You Gotta Craft That. I like went ham on her multicolor, and then I was like, wait, I don't really use these. These are from Sticker Bloom. They're important boxes, and then also her like label kind of quarter box appointment label things. So yeah, I just don't use a ton of multicolor. These are from Papery Factory. These were actually a gift from Steph. But I don't use these like cutesy things in my planner. I kept some of the like teacher-y things. She sent me a bunch of teacher stuff, like these early dismissal. I work in a high school. We like never have early dismissal really. So those are just, you know, she didn't know. I like super appreciate the gift, but if I can pass them on to somebody that will use them, that's a good thing. And then I bought started and finished reading label stickers. I haven't reached for these yet. I hopefully will. Same thing with these reading ones. I have foiled reading stickers, you guys, and that's just like my go-to, right? Like I just love foil. So I always grab my foil ones instead of these, even though they're so pretty. I got these by accident from Piper Paper Company. She sent me these instead of a sheet that I actually ordered. But these are Get Stuff Done boxes, and I haven't used them. They're really great though. I have half boxes from Oh Hello Stationery Co. where I've used like one, and then these are from Sticker Bloom. They're her blackout stitched half boxes, and I just haven't reached for those either. So I'm sure some of this will be making its way into a giveaway, especially because I haven't used a lot of that. Okay, next is character stickers. I have like, oh my gosh, you guys. This whole album is pretty much all character stickers, not quite all of it. And then I have another one that's partially character stickers, but like, why do I think I'm going camping and stuff all the time? Like, I just don't know. So I have these little cabin stickers. I went to a cabin 2 years ago, and in the past 2 years, I have literally not gone to a cabin. But I bought these after that cabin trip, so I've had them. I have little campfires and canoeing and making s'mores, and they're adorable. But, like, that's not my life. So why did I buy these? You know what I'm saying? These are like little pandas that are like lazy watching TV or Netflix or something with popcorn. I have so many different kinds of like watching TV and movie stickers that I just don't use them. These are unicorns with Starbucks. They're super cute. I just don't really tend to put unicorns in my planner, and I have tons of coffee stickers. And then I have these unicorns taking baths. I don't really take baths, like hardly ever. So yeah, I have other bath stickers, and I had one bath on like a sampler sheet, and I literally used that one in like none of my other bath stickers. So although adorable, I don't really like do these things. Same thing here. I have more TVs and Netflix. I don't even have Netflix anymore. I don't own a TV. And yes, I watch stuff, but it's mostly YouTube. So, you know, I don't know. And then I have movie stickers, which again, I don't really watch a lot of movies. I don't go to the movies very often. And these stickers, again, are really big. Like, it would have to be like an event. I do really like these little movie nights. I think those are cute, and the little tickets. But, I mean, they're adorable. They're all adorable, but they're huge, and I just don't reach for them. Same thing with that not being my life. I don't drink all that often. I used to have a friend that lived here, and we would go to happy hour, like, once a month or a couple times a month, so I would drink more then. So I have these like happy hour stickers and stuff, but you can still see I still only have one used, because I would use like girls' night stickers or something like that. So I just don't go out very often. So even though all these stickers are super beautiful, like look at these wine stickers for my newest addiction. They're so pretty, but I hardly ever drink. I have little margaritas. So fun. Hardly ever drink. I rarely use food stickers in my planner. These are so beautiful, but I don't really mark like what I eat. I don't really go on picnics. Every now and again with my family back home, but I don't know. And then takeout, like I spend all my money on stickers. I don't spend my money on takeout. These are so pretty though. I love this color palette. And these stickers are so cute. So yeah, definitely keeping those for when I do ever have takeout. But like, this isn't my life. I don't know. This is just such a pretty sheet of stickers though. More characters. I have penguin bill dues. I have little piggy no spends, which I can't stop spending. Payday fish bowls, which is kind of strange. But I clearly wanted them. I ordered them. Again, more unicorns. I bought a lot of unicorns. I thought this was really cute because they're like pastel colors, but I just don't find myself reaching for them. If I want a cutesy character, I typically grab my Glam Planner Teenie and Friends because they're still like a girl. So there's that. The little unicorn money sign, and then I have like actual bill dues. Again, I went ham on her, multicolor, but I don't reach for these. These style of canceled and rescheduled stickers, I definitely use canceled and rescheduled. I prefer the ones that have kind of edges that go like diagonally across the box instead of these, I don't know, they look like neon signs kind of. You can see I used one of each of them, and I don't know, they're very bright and kind of a little bold for my taste, I think. They're perfectly good. They're just not my ideal. And then I bought like 2 years ago, I bought a multicolor bundle from Scribble Prints Co., which you can see, this was like a fall multicolor. And you can see I've like I don't think I've touched this actually. So I don't know, just kind of silly. Like, again, you get so many things in kits. And if you didn't use kits, like it might be one thing, but I don't know. It's just a little bizarre, and trying to pull it in like it has to be the exact color, and then the way the little things are set up, like you don't have enough of just one color to do anything. Like you'd have to use multiple of the colors, so then you're trying to pull it into multiple spreads and blah blah blah. So I might try to use those this fall, and if I don't, then like give up. And then, sorry for the light. And then the last thing is subscriptions. These are just, it's a kit binder. So I definitely have like 18 billion Planner Society sticker kits. Like you can see, this is for next June, which will probably get shifted around. There's another one. There's another one. I have so many. And then like this Glam Planner kit is literally from like 2 years ago because they just pile up. So unless you're only using your subscription kits and like you don't have, like you're not buying a lot of other stickers, then it's a great idea, especially if you're stretching it over multiple weeks or whatever. But I just found that I ended up with so many Planner Society kits. I've actually canceled the subscription. I often skip my Glam Planner because it is just too many. I do have plans for these for my next year's TN or ring bound planner, whatever I decide to use. So they won't go to waste, and I've given some of them away. But yes, they're super gorgeous. I just could literally not keep up between buying my own kits and then getting subscription kits. It was just so many stickers. So be cognizant of what you are subscribing to and how often that subscription comes. I love the Glam Planner one because you can skip. So if you know you don't want that or you can't afford it that month or whatever, you can just skip the month and then it'll pick back up the next month, which is genius. A lot of these other ones you can't skip, and that gets really hard. So, and kits in general, like I have so many. This is just like spring. I have a binder like this for every season plus one of extra kits. So I'll link that video up here if you're interested. But yeah, so I hope you guys don't take any offense. Like, I love these shops. They're so good. Even if you saw a single shop multiple times, that doesn't mean anything. It just means I loved their stickers and I wanted them, and I don't use them because of one reason or another. So hopefully that helped you guys like understand my thought process of like why I was buying them and like why I don't use them in my planner. And then again, let me know down below if like a sheet is missing a sticker or two, like, is that offensive to put in a giveaway, or would you still be happy? Because I don't want to be shady. And again, they would just be extras, like they're just thrown in. It's not like part of the giveaway. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this with like tips and advice and stuff like that. Again, I'm definitely going to try to get use of some of these things, but definitely buy stickers for what you actually do. Like, I go on picnics maybe like once every couple years, so I definitely didn't need a whole sheet of picnic stickers. Like, it's just silly. And it's not going to necessarily make you do something more. I find like checking things off on a checklist makes me do stuff more, or like holds me accountable. But something like this where it's like a frivolous kind of thing, or like just something fun, or even like the workout stickers, like it didn't make me do it. So just know yourself and know what you actually do. Don't pick up stickers for the life you think you want to have. Pick up stickers for the life you actually have and make your planner functional for you. So yeah, this is real cute though, you guys. Like real cute. That one's definitely getting saved. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and let me know what stickers you guys bought and don't use. I'm so curious what, what other people hoard and haven't really used. So this was very therapeutic. I went through a bunch of my binders and pulled stuff out, and I think it's great because that means I can get rid of some of this stuff and make a little breathing room in my collection. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts down below, as I've said like 12 times, and have a great day. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already also. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time. Bye.